Hey everyone, this is Dr. Cazares from Premier Chiropractic. Let's talk about something that most people don't think about, your central nervous system. It's made up of your brain and spinal cord, and it's the master control system of your entire body. It sends messages to every organ, muscle, and tissue throughout the spinal nerves. But if your spine is out of alignment, it can create pressure on those nerves, almost like a kink in a hose, blocking communication between your brain and the body. So over time, that can create pain, dysfunction, or even other health-related issues. That's why chiropractic adjustments are so powerful. They help realign the spine, relieve pressure on the nerves, and allows your nervous system to work at its optimal capacity, so you can move, feel, and heal better. Remember to align your spine so you can unlock your potential.